It will be about world politics. Chess. You are watching Lab-e-Lubab segment. Darhakat. The United Nations has become a ceremonial, paralyzed body. Veto power has become a mere formal institution in the hands of a few countries, with continued failures on Palestine and Kashmir. The next world war won't begin with boots on the ground, but with bites in the cloud. World War will start with technology. It will be important. AI and the race of drones. Cyber attacks. The new weapons of war. Robots and autonomous weapons will be